Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're doing a gel polish design using this set of gel polishes from Rosalind. You can find them on Amazon, and I'll be leaving a discount code in the description for the month of October, so check out this video guys. So I'll be using almost all those colors in this nail design. It's a very short nail overlay of my client's natural nail, and using this to create a simple design. Also, it's a season of fall season, so it is great for fall. So keep on watching guys as I show you the different colors and also how I use it in this nail set. So keep on watching. Did a clear acrylic extension first, and now we're using our base coat before we start to apply our gel polish. So we cure it. Now we're using the C018 number on the Rosalind gel polish, and these sizes are the 7 ml size or 0.25 ounces a size. So that color is the C018 or 18. So we give both hands 2 coats, but I think I should have gone for 3 coats instead because they tend to be lighter. I've gone to 3 coats instead, but it worked out well nonetheless. So first we apply that color, and then we're going to use the other colors except number 20 color. So I'll label the colors, the number colors, in the description box below. So we'll be using the other 4 colors to create the line, the swirl lines in that design. So guys, keep on watching. Have any questions, please do so in the comment section. What you think about the set, the video, anything that you think I can even improve on in my videos, you can tell me. I'm not afraid to take it, so you can tell me. So now we're doing our line design on short natural nail. So even though it's an overlay, I still create a little extension. That's how short our nail is. She's I'd say a nail biter, but she has very short nail beds. So that even has a little extension on it. That's how short our natural nails are. And it was too short, so I create a little extension on it. So keep on watching guys about the line work, and hope you enjoy. So I decided to put a one line on the other nails because it looks so bare. So just put one line to blend in with the other color, other nails that I had on the design. So there's one line design, but these are great for fall colors. So guys, tell me what you think about this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see our best to improve my videos as I go along. But I appreciate the support that you guys have been giving me so far, and continue. Tell a friend to come on over and like and subscribe to my videos, guys. Help out a friend. So thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.